In order to record an audio on PowerPoint, you first have to go to Insert. Once you go into Insert, you're going to find on your taskbar in the right-hand corner an icon for audio. If you simply click on audio, a small drop down that gives you the option of selecting audio on your PC or record audio pops up. Select record audio. Once you select record audio, you'll have a little box that says record sound. Write in your first and last name. Then, when you are ready to record your presentación oral, click on the red button. As an example, I will click on it now. You know when you are recording when the total sound length begins to count up in seconds. When you are done with your presentation, you can hit stop. Be sure to hit OK afterward, and then you'll notice that a small icon and will pop up, and when you hover over it, there's a taskbar that will allow you to play your audio. You can move this taskbar around so it's not exactly on the obra de arte that you are recording about. And you can replay what you recorded. You know when you are recording when the total sound length begins to count up. So yes, and so then what you can do is go ahead and save your PowerPoint. Again, with your last name dot first name. And you can turn it into Google Classroom for your teacher to listen to and give you feedback on.